Hi, Magnolia. Welcome to Sound of the Week. Let's sing our song so that everyone knows it's time. Ready? Sound of the week. 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 Our sound this week is O. I wonder what we can think of that has the sound O in it. Do you see some pictures here? Yeah, I hear O in coat. And I hear O in boat. I also hear O in goat and coal. I'm so excited to see what you hear O in, and we'll look at your objects in just a minute. But first, let's look at the sound O. It's made up of two other sandpaper letter sounds. Do you see? Yeah, aw and ah. Aw plus ah says O. I'm going to trace it. Watch. O. 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 Let's get out our invisible pencils together. Ready? I'm going to start with an itty bitty baby one. O. Big one. Ready? O. At medium size? Okay. O. You'll notice I don't have a cat with me to help me this week. It's too hot for us to snuggle today. They're saying, "Don't touch us, Mama, we are too hot." I'm hot too. I hope you stay cool at your house. Let's see what you brought for Sound of the Week this week.